Hello and welcome to our video on multisig wallets. If you're interested in cryptocurrency and want to keep your assets safe, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will discuss what multisig wallets are, how they work, and the benefits they offer. A multisig wallet, also known as a multisig vault or safe, is a type of crypto wallet that requires two or more private keys to perform certain tasks. The main aim of multisig wallets is to increase the security of the funds stored in the wallet by requiring multiple parties to sign off before sending any transactions. A multisig wallet requires multiple signatures from a set of predetermined addresses, and if any of these signatures is missing, the transaction cannot go through. This is like a safe with unique keys that must be used together to open it. There are different types of multisig wallets, such as 3-key wallets that require all parties to attest or sign to a transaction, and wallets that require a certain number out of the total pool to participate for a transaction to process, for example, 2 of 3 or 3 of 5. There are several benefits of using a multisig wallet, especially for institutions and decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs. One of the most significant benefits is that multisig wallets eliminate the traditional key person risk. This refers to when a company relies almost entirely on a single individual to succeed, which is all too common in crypto. Multisig wallets mitigate any single point of failure and ensure that essential transactions can go through despite one key party being absent at the time of the transaction. Another benefit of using a multisig wallet is greater transparency. The transaction policies, signers, and actual transactions are all made publicly available on-chain or in the code, allowing for a clear picture of the rules for transactions and accountability of those who participate in directing funds. Lastly, multisig wallets are buildable. They can be easily adjusted or upgraded to fit an institution's or DAO's needs. Developers can create protocols and models that allow for more complex actions, including DAO voting or asset management services. Platforms such as Juicebox have enabled groups of people to develop community-owned, programmable wallets that enjoy the power of multisigs. In conclusion, a multisig wallet is an effective way of increasing asset security without using cold storage. It requires multiple signatures to perform certain tasks, which significantly reduces the risks associated with traditional hot or cold wallets. Multisig wallets provide transparency, eliminate key person risk, and are buildable, making them an excellent option for institutions and DAOs. If you want to ensure the safety of your assets, consider using a multisig wallet today. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel, as we post weekly videos related to crypto, stocks, blockchain, and NFTs.